How to transfer money on the Truist Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to transfer money on Truist Bank is simple. First and foremost, you have to open the Truist Bank mobile application, or you can log in into your online banking account as well. This requires your user ID and password. Once that is done, on the home page, find the menu at the top of the screen with 5 options, which is tap on the third option, transfer and pay. On the next page, you will see 3 options again, which is transfer money for account transfers, pay Twist bills for the Twist related payments, and send money with Zelle. We have to tap on the first option, which is transfer money, to proceed. First of all, choose the from account, that is the account you are transferring money from. Then select the to account, that is the destination account for. After that, enter the transfer amount and select the frequency. After that, you can even add a memo if desired. Review and confirm before sending it. After you have reviewed and verified, tap on the Submit Transfer to complete the transaction, and you'll receive a confirmation of successful transfer. So this is the process by which you can transfer money. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.